Hello students, today we are going to solve our next exercise, that is 3.2 from the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. Okay, so first question is find x in the following figure. तो हमें क्या करना है, ये ट्रायंगल शेप का फिगर दिया है जिसमें एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स दिए हैं. दिस एंगल इज 125 डिग्री, दिस एंगल इज 125 डिग्री and this angle is x degree, that is unknown. Okay, and we have to find the x. So we all know that the sum of all the exterior angle in any polygon is 360 degree. So sum of all exterior angles in a polygon is 360 डिग्री. ओके, दैट मीन्स इन तीनों एंगल्स का सम कितना होगा 360. सो राइट हियर 125 डिग्री प्लस 125 डिग्री प्लस x डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 360 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ एड 125 प्लस 125 इज 250 डिग्री प्लस x degree is equals to 360 degree, and by transposing 250 from LHS to RHS we have x degree is equals to 360 minus 250, that is 110 degree. So x is equals to we have 110 degree. Okay, so the second part of first question you can do by yourself by following the same method. Now second question is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. So we have given that there is a regular polygon of 9 side. Okay, so we need to find each exterior angle of this polygon. Okay, so if there is a regular polygon का मतलब होता है that each side of the polygon and each angle in polygon are equal to each other. Okay, so 9 side है. We know that sum of all the exterior angle in a polygon is equals to 360 degree. Okay, and we need to find each exterior angle. That means if the sum of total is 360 and the sides are 9, so we need to find measurement of each angle. Okay, that means 9 side we have. So if the polygon has 9 sides, that means it will form 9 angles. Okay, so 9 into each angle, let's suppose the angle is x. Okay, is equals to 360. That means x is equals to, let's transpose this 9 from here to here with 360 and it will come as a denominator. So by dividing we have the answer 40. That means each angle will be measured as 40 degree. Okay, similarly you can do the same procedure for the second part of this question. Now let's come to the third question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? So what is the question asking? That in a regular polygon, if there is an exterior angle that is 24 degree, we need to find out that how many sides does it have. Okay, that means if it is a regular polygon, that means each sides and each angle will be equal in it, and the number of side will be equals to number of angles. That means sum of all exterior angles in a polygon is equals to 360 डिग्री. ओके, किसी भी पॉलीगन के एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स का सम 360 डिग्री होता है. ओके, नाउ इफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ angles are x, then x into 24 degree, because each angle measures 24 degree. Okay, so 1 को x टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so ये हमें 360 आंसर देगा. ओके, So from here we can find out the x, that is 360 upon 24, and this is equals to 15. That means number of angles is equals to 15. And if there is 15 angles in a regular polygon, that means there will be 15 sides too. So number of sides in the regular polygon is equals to 15. Okay, so this is our answer. Question number 4 is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Okay, so एक regular polygon है जिसमें कोई एक interior angle 165 degree measure करता है. Okay, and we need to find the number of sides of it. Okay, so what will we do? We will find the total number of angle in it, and then we can find the total number of sides. Okay, so what will we do? We have given each interior angle is equals to 165 degree. Okay, so if this is 165 degree, that means the exterior angle besides it, which make a linear pair with this angle, will be what we need to find. So exterior angle is equals to 180 minus 165. Okay, for to find exterior angle we need to minus 165 from 80 because these are linear pair. Okay, so this will give us 15 degree. That means each exterior angle measures 15 degree. Okay, now sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay, so what will we do? We will multiply 15 because one exterior angle measures 15. So we will multiply 15 to the total number of exterior angle, and this will give result 360. Okay, it is the same procedure we were doing in previous question. So x is equals to, from here, is 24. Okay, that means the number of sides in the regular polygon is 24. Okay, question number 5 is the A part. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Okay, so question is asking that is it possible to have a regular polygon? कोई एक ऐसा रेगुलर पॉलीगन पॉसिबल है जिसके हर एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल कितना हो? 22 डिग्री. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स सम ऑफ ऑल द एक्सटीरियर angle is equals to 360. Okay, so 22 measures for each angle, so 22, and we have to multiply 22 by total number of angle, that is x. Okay, and this is 360. So if we transpose 22 to here, 360 upon 22, so this will give us 16.7. that means it is not a whole number. Okay, and if we are looking for a sides of regular polygon, so sides must be a whole number. Okay, that means साइड जो आपकी पॉलीगन की होंगी वो 1 हो सकती है, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ऐसे नंबर्स हो सकती है. ओके, बट कैन नॉट बी 16.7, 5.4. ओके, दैट मीन्स ये आपका होल नंबर नहीं दे रहा है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, नॉट पॉसिबल. फाइन. सिमिलरली, कैन इट बी एन इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन एंड वाई? अब हमें बताना है कि ये इंटीरियर एंगल हो सकता है फॉर अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन 22 डिग्री. ओके, सो फॉर अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन, सम ऑफ ऑल द interior angle sum property क्या कहती है, n minus 2 into 180. Okay, that means any regular polygon is there has sum of all the angles that is multiple of 180. Okay, that means 22 must divide 180. So either 22 must divide 180, or we can say that 180 must be a perfect multiple of 22. Okay, but 180 degree is not a perfect multiple of 22. So the regular polygon having interior angle 22 degree is not possible. Okay, so in both the condition it is not possible to have 22 degree angle, whether it is for exterior angle or interior angle. Now let's come to the question number 6. First part is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? So हमें बताना है किसी रेगुलर पॉलीगन के लिए एक मिनिमम इंटीरियर एंगल कितना होना चाहिए और क्यों. ओके, so for that we will consider a regular polygon with minimum or lowest sides, that is equilateral triangle. Okay, so consider a regular polygon of lowest possible number of side. Okay, that is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so that regular polygon will be an equilateral triangle because this is the only polygon that is lowest. Okay, because it has 3 sides. Now we know that in an equilateral triangle the sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so if we consider every angle as x, so the sum of all 3 angles is 180 degree. Okay, that means we can write it as 3x is equals to 180 degree. Okay, and from here x is equals to 180 upon 3, that is 60 degree. So minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. Okay, so this is our answer for first question. Now what is the maximum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So we need to find out the maximum exterior angle. Okay, this was the minimum interior angle. So for maximum exterior angle, if we know, we have find out the minimum interior angle, and if it's a triangle, okay, it's a rough figure of equilateral triangle. So if this one is 60 degree, so this exterior angle will be 180 minus 60 degree. Okay, so by subtracting 60 from 180 we can find out the maximum, because if this is minimum, so this will become maximum. Okay, so interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to 180 degree. How? By linear pair. Okay, because these two angles are linear pair, so the sum of these two angle will be 180, and interior angle we have is 60, so exterior angle will be, we can assume x, and is equals to 180. Okay, now x is equals to 180 minus 60, and this will give us 120 degree. That means maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon polygon is 120 degree. Okay, and this is our answer. Now आपको पता चल गया होगा कि हम एक्सटीरियर एंगल और इंटीरियर एंगल को कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, एंड क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी को कैसे यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज योर एक्सरसाइज 3.2. You need to note all the questions of this exercise in your notebook and practice them as well. Also, the remaining questions from this exercise you can do by yourself by following same method I have mentioned in this topic. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I will see you in next video with new exercise. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.